Some nights you don't need a recipe, you need a shortcut. Today I'm showing you how to turn canned beans and frozen vegetables into a real balanced bowl, fast. You'll need canned beans, frozen mixed vegetables, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and a base like rice or quinoa. This is simple food that works. Add a little olive oil to a warm skillet. Then add the frozen vegetables and let them cook until heated through. Now add your drained beans and let them warm with the vegetables. Season with garlic powder, salt, and black pepper to bring everything together. Now let's start building our bowl. Spoon your rice or quinoa into a bowl first. Now spoon the bean and vegetable mixture over the rice and let it spread gently across the bowl. This is what I mean when I say cooking doesn't have to be complicated. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.